Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Achoo! Thanks achoo! Something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Tabs! That bouncy castle is out of this world! I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs! We can go to the moon and find out! I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs!
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore! The Blippi Mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get up.
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm light as a feather up here. I never knew I could have been having so much fun.
Woohoo! It's amazing. amazing that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity! It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But, there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha, 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 cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky!
Keep on bouncing, Blippi!
Whoa! Great! Since I just finished my fun painting, can you guess what it is? Wow, Tabs! Exactly right! It is a penguin holding a cup of tea while rollerblading through a jungle. So many colors! Whoa! A rainbow! So many colors! I wonder, how does a rainbow get its colors? Great idea, Tabs. We can fly up and ask the rainbow and find out. But first, I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out how a rainbow gets its colors.
Guys and gals, attention please. The Big Blue Sky is proud to present nature's greatest influencer. I'm Bowie the Rainbow.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm a big fan, Bowie. I know all your colors.
Thank you. I'm very proud of my colors. Let me show them off one by one. How you doing?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Wonderful job, Blippi. Hey, you know, today's a big day. We're doing a double rainbow showstopper. Oh, you must be part of my performance.
Really? I'd be honored, but I don't know how you get all your colors. Could you show me?
Of course, superfan Blippi. First, let's check out this puffy cloud called a cumulus cloud. Ooh, it looks like it just rained too, which is perfect. That means there are lots of water droplets in the air.
Wow, this cloud has so many teeny drops of water.
Hashtag true. Okay, next step. Position the cloud so the sunlight shines true to water droplets, like this. Now, when the light goes true to water, it bends, or refracts, and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Voila!
That is awesome! I think I have the answer to my question. How does a rainbow get all its different colors? It's when the sunlight shines through water. It bends the light and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Upload answer tabs.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. How you doing? All right, see you later, Blippi.
I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the chocolate bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No, but it'll be fun. It's chocolate bar Debo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike, and I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Wow, that's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Woo! Gotcha. Phew. That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.
Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bi, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bi.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no, I'm going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh, not again. I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and Tabs.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bi. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, Bi. I love being at the beach. Whoa! A flying fish! I wonder, what's underneath the ocean? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'll need duck feet and a propeller.
Duck feet, propeller, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! It's a whole other world down here. Is this like some kind of underwater forest?
Exactly! It is a forest! Welcome to my neighborhood! My name's Jerry the jellyfish!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're down here to see what's in the ocean.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. The ocean's full of surprises. I'll show you. I'm going to meet my friends. Well, I'll give you a tour along the way.
All right, thanks, Jerry.
First stop, our kelp forest. This kelp can grow up to 150 feet.
Wow, that's so tall.
Oh yeah, but sometimes the water current around here blows the kelp around.
Kelp! Kelp!
Oh no, this never happens.
Great idea, Tabs. Let's use the turbo boosters.
Oh good, glad you're okay. Let's move on.
Whoa! That fish is blue, and has a long nose.
She's a blue marlin. She uses her nose to find and catch food. She's also really fast.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh no, this never happens.
Yeah, Tabs, it is dark in here. Wherever we are. Jerry! Jerry?
Blippi, is that you in there? Oh no, hold on. Whoa! I scared a gray whale and she blew you right out of her blowhole? That never happens.
Thanks for getting us out of there, Jerry. Oh, you're all lit up.
I told you the ocean was full of surprises, didn't I?
Hey, look, it's your friends.
Hiya, pals. You guys found me.
And I found the answer to my question. What's underneath the ocean? There's a kelp forest, blue marlins, huge whales, and a jellyfish that lights up. Upload answer tabs.
And we're only on chapter 1. In chapter 2, there's an octopus and a shark and a sea turtle and a tuna.
Bye, Jerry.
Oh, and there's an otter and a seahorse and a lobster and a stingray.
Whoa! Bouncy sand dune. And even bouncier! Wow, what an amazing sandcastle! Wave incoming! Oh no! Looks like that castle was no match for that wave. Huh. I wonder, can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? Yeah, you're right, Tabs. There is only one way to find out. I need to build a sandcastle of my own. I'm gonna need the excavator arm and spider legs.
Excavator arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for action. Let's go make a sandcastle that won't get washed away. Now we need to make ourselves sandcastle size. Shrinking down. Feel that cool ocean breeze, Tabs. Whoa!
Hi there. I'm Krabby the Crab. Pleasure to meet you. Ooh, crikey, I don't know my own strength.
Hi, Krabby. It's me, Blippi. And this is my Blippi Mobile.
I love it. So, you out taking a fun ride?
Actually, Krabby, I'm here because I'm curious if I can build a sandcastle that won't get washed away.
You came to the right crab. I'm a planner, digger, and a builder. I can help you, Blippi.
Great.
So the first thing we're gonna do is build a moat. That's a fancy word for a hole. You see, the water goes into the hole and doesn't wash away what's behind it. So, let's dig. Dig, 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 dig. Woo!
Wow, what a hole!
Now let's build a sandcastle.
You're right, Tabs. We are gonna need a shovel.
Finished! Success!
You already built it, Krabby.
And our moat is perfect. The moat's the hole we dug all around the sandcastle.
Great moat! And best sandcastle ever. Wave incoming! The moat worked, Krabby. This means I think I have the answer to my question. Can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? I can by making a hole around it to catch the water. Upload answer tabs. Thanks, Krabby.
See you later, Blippi. Keep on digging.
Phew, it's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the Blippi-mobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right. Which means we have the answer to my question. Why my popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Whoa! This spiderweb looks amazing. You're right, Debo. Spiderwebs do have such artistic designs. I wonder, how do spiders make their webs? Yes, let's go find a spider to ask. I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Bonjour, I'm Spencer. You're just in time to watch me make my latest artistic creation.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you about to make a web?
I am. It's going to be my greatest masterpiece, the webbiest web of all time. Want to help?
Yeah, I really want to learn how spiders make their webs.
Time to create.
Debo, I'll be right back.
Blippi, you can be my holder and tester. My web will be a circle-shaped design with some triangles in the middle.
What kind of string do you use to make your web?
I use silk strands that I make myself, and they shoot out of my stomach. To a spider or bug, these strands are as strong as steel.
That is so cool!
Next, the circles to complete my masterpiece. Can you hold this strand in place, Blippi?
Yeah! Whoa! It is a circle shape.
Ah, perfect! Grab that strand, Blippi, to swing out for a look.
Whoa! Amazing! Wait! Is that a picture of me in your web?
It is you, my masterpiece. Now you can test it. Bounce against it. See if it holds.
Whoa!
The sticky part is for catching bugs to eat.
Your web is beautiful and useful, Spencer. And you answered my question. How do spiders make their webs? They use super strong and sticky silk strands to create a web with a cool circular design. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for showing us how you make a perfect web, Spencer. Bye-bye. Au revoir. Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer, Tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye. Halloween is the best, Tabs. And I love trick-or-treating too. Hey, look! A haunted house. Whoa! Look at all the decorations. So cool! You're right, Tabs. Maybe there are treats inside. I wonder, what's inside a haunted house? Let's find out. Ready, Tabs? Tabs! What? I better go into the haunted house to find Tabs. This should be fun! Hi! It's me, Blippi. I'm looking for my friend Tabs. Have you seen her?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Mr. Pumpkin.
Was that a ghost?
Probably, yeah. I haven't seen Tabs, but you can look for her in this house full of magical and spooky fun.
Great!
Maybe my friend Bones has seen Tabs. He's in the basement. I'd start by taking the stairs.
All right. Whoa! Whee!
Turn into a slide!
Mr. Pumpkin? Tabs? Hello? Whoa! Sorry.
Don't worry. It happens all the time to Bones.
Maybe he's seen Tabs. I better sweep him up.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whee! Sorry again, Bones. Whoa! Maybe that flying ghost knows where Tabs is. Let's follow it. Whoa! Hi, witch! Bye, witch! Well, I guess this is a dead end. I wonder where everyone went. Cool! A spinning wall! Whoa! Woohoo!
Congrats, Blippi! You made it all the way through my haunted house. The tricks are over, but now it's time for the treats!
But wait, I still haven't found Tabs. Tabs? You were the ghost the whole time? Well, now I have the answer to my question. What's inside a haunted house? Fun, spooky skeletons, cobwebs, a talking pumpkin, spiders, a witch, and a floating Tabs ghost. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks for letting us have fun in your house, Mr. Pumpkin. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!